welcome to my blog. And I guess this one's going to be Project Jeep. Well, I picked this up today, and our issue has been her Liberty's locking system. When she goes to push the unlock button right here, nothing happens. You can push the button to lock, but you got to push the other one. Nothing's happening. It will work. It will work on the passenger side, and she can use her key fob, but it is not releasing. Yes.
I'm backing it out so you can get to it easier.
That'd be good. Okay. That'll work. I'm gonna go ahead and I decided, well, I'm thinking that the switch here has gotten wet inside, and it has an issue. So we're gonna try it, and if this one don't work, then I can't guarantee it was this, but I can go back down to Wilbert's and get one more. And the chances are two being bad are really slim, very slim as to being bad. The key in it, dear?
No, it's back here.
No, you took the key out. Okay.
Do you want the key?
So with this, as you can see, I just locked it, but now if I go to unlock it, it won't unlock, and it should. This vehicle also, if you have the key in the ignition, it should not lock. If we push the key fob to unlock, that's locking, and as you can see, they all unlock. Push it again, they all lock. But this one, when you push this button, they will not unlock. Yeah, unlock. They all unlock. With this, and with doing the passenger side, it will lock and they will unlock. So we're going to swap this one out.
Look at that.
And see if it solves the problem.
Huh. I said, look at that. It just takes a little... Uh-oh.
Oh, what's up?
Dude.
What, dude?
I might see a problem with it already.
Oh,
Is it
Let
missing
me have
is
it.
it missing a tooth?
no, it's not.
You sure?
Positive.
Don't snap at me.
I'm not. Okay, what I'm doing is now I'm pulling this one out very easily. Just push the screwdriver under the envelope.
There.
Push the inside here. Pop that one out. Inside this one. Pop that out. And I'm gonna go with this now. We did get this one out of a, what did you say we got it out of? I pulled this out of a
Dodge Journey?
Journey.
Give up.
Okay, with that plugged in, let's see if we have a problem in the computer or with this. Beautiful, huh?
Don't break it.
don't break it.
Don't break it.
Don't break it.
We don't know how
There we go.
tender these are.
All right, let's see if we got everything else. Left. Yeah.
Hey.
Right.
I hear it.
Okay, you do hear it?
They're screwing up my shed.
There we go. Turn the key.
What'd you do with my keys?
Okay. While windows work. Okay. They almost got both go up together. That is pretty cool. Push this one here. Oh, I'm messing around. Okay. Okay. There you go.
Hey.
You'll have you got the key in?
Yeah.
You got the key in. Let's see. It will not lock with the key in. Pull the key out. Now they will lock. So just don't set your keys on your seat.
I don't. I don't.
But if you have your key,
No, wait, though.
Yeah,
No, even with it turned off, it won't. Okay.
as long as it's in the ignition, it will not lock the door. But if you take it
That's
out
okay.
and set it on your seat, you lock it. There you go. Alright. Thanks for watching. That's how you change out the control switch.
He rocks, don't he?
So here we go.
He rocks. He fixed my stuff.
Oh, everything's broken. Alright, and that's what'll happen if you leave your windows open when it rains and the water gets into these controllers.
And the wife did not do that. It came
No, I know
this
it
way.
came way. I'm
The wife ain't dumb enough to leave the windows open.
okay. Or leave the skylight open when it rains.
Yeah, the wife ain't dumb enough to do that either.
Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you will catch me on the next project. Jeep